So today we are a spy. Who? And we are about to be exposed. Oh, damn, boys. Dangerous stuff right there. Okay, today we are... Actually, we're not here. Today we are doing a... We are beginning a new section, introducing to port forwarding. Port forwarding is an essential component in connecting applications and services to the internet. Without port forwarding, applications and services such as web servers are only available to devices within the same direct network. Take the network below as an example. Within this network, the server with the IP address of 192.168.110, which is this server, runs a web server on port 80. Only the two other computers on this network will be able to access it, right? The server and two computers in the same network. If the administrator wanted the website to be accessible to the public using the internet, they would have to implement port forwarding, like in the diagram below. So we have the same server with the two computers. We have a router which goes straight to the internet with a new IP address, as you can see. This is a private IP address and this is a public one. The same port 80 going to the internet, and then from that we have a new IP to a new computer. With this design, network 2 will now be able to access the web server running on network 1 using the public IP address of network 1. This is the public address, and this computer can use this IP to actually this IP to access the server, web server, to deliver web pages. It is easy to confuse port forwarding with the behaviors of a firewall, a technology we'll come on to discuss in a later task. However, at this stage, just understand that port forwarding opens specific ports. Recall how packets work. In comparison, firewalls determine if traffic can travel across these ports, even if these ports are opened by port forwarding. Port forwarding is configured at the router of a network, right? You can see it here, router. In any networking software, let's say this is the universal symbol of a router to make it simpler to recognize. This is a server, this is the a PC. Yeah, this is the internet. Simply lovely. What is the name of the device that is used to configure port forwarding? Router is the device, yes, at singular. I think I have to refresh the page. Okay, it just responded a little late.